Hi, Chris here, and I'm really excited today to be showing off a new feature that we've just launched for direct bookings, direct discounts. This is the single most requested feature that we've had from our hosts, and we're really excited to get it into your hands today. But what is direct discounts? Simply put, it's a means for you to offer a discount on bookings that come to you direct. There's a couple of ways that you might want to do this. Say for instance, you have a repeat guest and you want to offer them an incentive to book again, say a 10% discount. Or perhaps you have a website that you already use to take bookings and you want to give a 10% direct booking discount. That's absolutely something that we hear quite a lot, and it's really simple to do with our new feature. So how do you go about doing this? Well, what you can see here is that I'm already logged into my direct booking account. I'm in the current section and I'm looking at Woodland Cabin. As I scroll down the page, you'll see this new section here for tools and settings. Top of that is direct discounts. If I click into that, it's going to take me to this new screen here. I've got no direct discounts active at the moment, and it's got a little bit of information here letting me know what this is. To create my first discount, I simply click on the link here. This is going to give me an overlay window with a few different options to create the discount that's right for me. First and foremost is the discount code. Now there's two ways you can do that. Maybe you have a code that you want to create, say for instance a 10% discount for anyone booking direct. You might call it direct-10. That's absolutely fine. And then you could go on to set up the rest of the discount. However, we know sometimes people might want to do just a one-off discount code or don't really mind what the code is at all. And in that situation, you can just click on generate code and we'll automatically pre-fill one for you. I'm going to stick with direct-10 for this moment in time. And then below that, you'll see that you've got two different types, percentage and fixed. If I want a fixed option, say for instance, just a 100% discount, I'm just going to type that in there. So £100 discount and a little bit of an example of what that will look like below. But for this, I want a 10% discount. So I'm going to choose percentage and I'm going to set 10. The next option is to set an end date. Now you can leave your codes to run forever until you actually delete them manually. But we know sometimes that you want the control to say, I want to end this, say for instance, in the next 2 weeks. That's absolutely fine. You just toggle this option here and then you're going to get a date selector. So if I click on this here, I'm going to say I want to run this code until the end of July. I'm just going to do that there and then hit create discount. And that's all you need to do. The discount is now active and ready for you to share it. There's a couple of ways that you can do this as well, but what's worth noting here is that it can take a few minutes before your discount is actually active, so it's worth holding on before you share it. When you are ready to share it, you can either copy the code on the left here and share the code directly with a guest, or you can copy the shareable link on the right here. And that's going to allow you to paste that either into your website, your Facebook account, your WhatsApp account, wherever you want to share it. That link will automatically let people see the discount when they go to book. So how does this look in practice? Well, let's jump back here to my direct listings. I'm going to go into Battle Country Stay and I'm going to go to direct discounts. And you can see here, I've already got a welcome 10 discount available here. So that's 10% off any booking. I'm going to copy the shareable link. And I'm going to open up a new tab and go to that page. So you can see here underneath your trip, there's a little banner here letting me know that 10% discount will be applied at checkout. Any guest that follows that link will see this. This is just to let them know, we know you've come from this link and we will apply that as you go through the checkout process. So I'm going to check in. I'm going to stay from the 17th of July to the 21st. I'm going to hit set. You can see here that I've got my pricing breakdown here. 4 nights at £500. That means a £200 discount with a total cost of £1,800. We also show exactly what it would have been before. Now, if we hit reserve and go through the process, it's going to take me into the actual details page. On the left here, you'll see this new discount code section. The welcome 10 code has already been applied, so the 10% discount is applied there. And again, we've got this breakdown. But there's also this new discount code area here. And this means that if someone has a code and they haven't come through the link, they can easily just place that in here and hit apply. Or perhaps they've come through with a link and they want to change the code, they can easily do that there as well. This gives you the ultimate flexibility based on what you need to do. And there's nothing else to it. It's as simple as that. All you need to do is create your link, share it where you want to, or just pass the code across. Take, for instance, the situation that I mentioned before. You already have your website online and you want to use your direct booking Travelnest page to take all the bookings. All you need to do is go onto your website, change the link to match up with your discount link, and anyone coming through will get that discount. One question we often get asked as well is the ability to change the pricing. The reason that we've offered the ability to do discounts and not change the pricing is to ensure that there's a level playing field between what you're posting on your website and on other channels like Airbnb and Booking.com to ensure that your property position on there isn't negatively affected. I'm really excited to see what our hosts are able to do with this, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment.